My name is Owen McClave. I'm the Senior Vice President of Engine Operations here in SR Technics in Zurich. I've been in the industry for over 30 years in fixed wing and rotary wing. Every day I get challenged by people who are much smarter than me in their field of expertise, and that's what makes this job fun. We have a lot of flexibility, a lot of passion, huge motivation. Some people ask me what our customers want. I see our customers as people just like you and I. They want peace of mind, they want responsiveness, agility, excellence in engineering. But above all, they want quality, speed and value.
Between 210 degrees 5 knots, 100 to clear takeoff.
Aviation is an exciting industry. It represents travel, it represents meeting new people, seeing new places. Even though we work with companies, we work with airlines, we work with leasing companies, it is still a business about people. So interacting with people on a daily basis is what my job is to understand the customer needs, the timetable, the work scope, the budget. We have a flexible workforce, we have top engineers that help create that specific work scope for the customer.
In the process of designing the best solutions to our customers, we very often have to disrupt the way we see things, the way we do things, and the way we would approach normally the problems. This is really what I prefer in this company. The openness from bottom up and top down of our management to explore and be open to developing new services for our customers.
What we tend to do with every work scope package that we offer or recommend towards our customers is to make sure it fits their individual needs and criteria. Within the engineering team, Marco Evener takes care of customer support engineers. So he is involved much earlier on in the starting of a shop visit of an engine. So he's the one talking directly to the customer, trying to figure out, okay, what are your needs, what are your criteria, what is important to you, what do we need to lay focus on?
The first process where we actually step in is during the bidding phase. The product management is sharing all the data they receive from our customers so we can review the fleet. We will be able to make a comment on the modification status and the condition of the fleet in general.
Once we have a deal signed with our customer, is to make sure that all the necessary documentation is fed into our system as early on as possible, so the work scoping process can start as early as possible.
Once we sign the customer contract, the product management will do a handover to the account management team. Then the account manager takes the ownership about managing the entire shop visit process. We have various steps in the whole pre-induction process to basically make sure that we have the contract ready, we have the customer slot available, we have all the paperwork and work scope defined, and the engine has arrived at SR Technics, and basically we have finished the pre-inspection and boroscope inspection, so the engine is ready for the shop.
Die Triebwerke, die wir hier in Zürich bekommen, die werden zu 95% mit den Lastwagen von den grossen Frachtflughäfen in Europa werden die angeliefert. Nur ganz wenige Triebwerke werden hier in Zürich direkt vom Flugzeug abmontiert und kommen dann nachher zu uns in die Überholung oder die Reparatur. Das Triebwerk wird vom Lastwagen oben abgenommen mit dem Gabelstapler und wird bei uns in die Halle gestellt und kommt dann die Incoming Inspection über.
From time to time, customers come to us with what could be seen as an impossible equation. Have more for less. This is typical. And sometimes we manage to make it happen. Very recently, a customer had an in-flight shutdown. His entire high-pressure compressor was wiped out. The engine was beyond economical repair. Impossible to make it work. We managed to find a replacement module that we had to overhaul, but still made the customer save $1 million. And the customer is still operating the engine today.
In today's environment, every customer is unique. Some customers are looking at the price as the differentiator. Others are looking at the majority of parts being used serviceable condition. So each customer is different. We need to create a customized solution for each one. Turn time may be important to one, price may be important to another one. The support of a lease engine may be important for yet another customer.
What we tend to do with every work scope package that we offer or recommend towards our customers is to make sure it fits their individual needs and criteria. It's all about the customer.